time is it? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? This is the DW World Equity Time. Well, from now onwards, every Monday morning at 9 a.m. sharp Singapore time, or maybe Hong Kong time, China time, Malaysia time, we're going to share with you one very important and potential market instrument that is likely to rise for this coming 1 or 2 weeks. And this instrument could come from, well, perhaps an FX market, commodities, stock, ETF, or just anything from around the world. So just log in and watch us on every Monday morning, 9 a.m. And we want you to like us, follow us, and of course, don't forget to share this good video out. And we call this the OTOP series. Well, OTOP stands for One Target, One Purpose. And the reason we call it 1910 is because 1910 stands for Monday, 9 a.m. and 10 minutes is all you need to spend the time with us. So don't forget, every Monday, OTOP is right here waiting for you. I'll be back. Watch us. Hi there, welcome back to the OTOP, and this is the episode 29 for the week, 22nd February year 2021. And yes, this is the number 29 episodes that we have been doing on this OTOP series on every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time or Hong Kong time, continuously for the last 29 weeks. Okay, this week, as usual, for the next 10 minutes, we're going to share with you a very interesting stock counter, which is listed in Hong Kong. And perhaps we have done that again, and we want you to pay extra attention. All right, first of all, let us take a look at some news, anything special out there, and well, nothing much except the Myanmar protest has been going on in Burma. All right, and look at this top side here on the taskbar. Gold prices closed at a price of $1,783 per ounce on last Friday. So perhaps we shall take a look and talk a little bit on gold prices for this coming week, 22nd February year 2021. Okay, let's take a look at the US dollar index here. As you know, dollar index is a very important instrument which is acting inversely to gold prices. Okay, and if you look at the dollar index here, okay, it's a day chart on last Friday closing. All right, the EMA 4 and 20 crossing down with a small red bar, which is a black candle, that concurrently running with a momentum which is going to turn down into the negative region. It could indicate the beginning of dollar weakening coming soon, and we feel that this is highly possible, perhaps this week, or it may happen in the first week of March, which it will coincide with the rollout of the 1.9 trillion US dollar stimulus, which is going to be approved and rolled out by the US government. But in any case, if dollar were to come down, all right, what exactly would be the best instrument for us to pick up? And this is exactly where we are coming from in this episode 29 of OTOP. Well, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart, which is a different time scale. Okay, momentum is turning weak. Okay, so this week we foresee the US dollar index is going to be either doing sideways, trading under the benchmark of 90, then eventually it will go down, or it may be just turning down very soon. So when dollar turns down, let's take a look at gold price. Okay, perhaps spot gold is always the most directly influenced instrument which is acting on the opposite side of dollar index. Okay, if we look at this spot gold prices here, right, last Friday the market closed at $1,783 or around 1,783, okay, per ounce. Okay, if we look at this chart itself, first of all, we have identified a very strong support in the region of 1760, perhaps around here. And based on the technical outlook on the two small daily candlesticks, we have reasons to believe that the gold prices could be holding well. And after a few more couple of days of consolidation, gold prices could be holding at 1760 and begin to turn up. But how high is it going to fly up? it will depend on the coming months how low the dollar will go down. So if gold prices were to go up, we have spotted one very interesting instrument for you to look at this week, and that is a Hong Kong stock. Right, it's coming up here, and the number is this. 3833, Sinsin Mining. Okay, if you track back to our OTOP 20, or episode 20, yes, we have actually covered this Hong Kong stock 3833 before, but at that time it was trading at about 50 to 60 cent Hong Kong dollars, and look at what it is now, closing on last Friday, all right, $1.58. So the market has gone up almost like 3 times of what we were talking about exactly 9 weeks ago. That's about 2 months. So are we going to pick up on Sing Sing 3833 again, or what are we going to do on this stock? All right, take a look at this. On the day chart itself, if you're looking at this chart here, all right, the momentum is pretty high and the market trend has gone up a lot. So I would suggest, all right, not to chase the market, but definitely this market has got a lot of potential to go higher, and we should be waiting for a correction. And the simple reason is, on this coming week, 22nd February year 2021, this is going to be exactly the last week of February month, and there is a huge potential of correction. All right, and that is where we want to go in after the correction at the bottom, and in early March, perhaps this instrument will start to shoot up again. Okay, from the day chart, I want you to take a look at this. Very interesting on the month chart. Well, now you know what exactly I'm pointing out to you. All right, if you look at the month chart here, very beautiful. All right, on the momentum at the bottom sector here, that coincides with the crossing. Okay, this is the beginning of a new bull run. All right, listen here, the new bull run is a big up candle here for the month of February, but as I mentioned earlier, for this coming last week of February, we will expect the market, hopefully, all right, we hope that it's going to come down and do a correction. Well, anywhere in the region of, well, we hope, of course, it may not happen, $1 or up to 130, all right, around here. If it settles around here, I think that's a good price to go in. And hopefully we can see the correction starts this week, and find your entry point sometime on coming Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. Okay, if you get into this counter 3833, I want to wish all of you good luck, because if you ask me how far I can go up to and how long is the term going to be, it's very individual. All right, it's up to you, but the first eventually resistance is going to be around here, perhaps like $5.50 to $6 Hong Kong dollars. But if you look on a far side, okay, back in 2008, on the subprime crisis 12 years ago, the market actually came off of a high of $15.50 Hong Kong dollars, 15.5. All right, 15.55. So what kind of room are we talking about? A bull run and a recovery eventually when dollar comes down, gold prices go up, and eventually the gold mining stock has got a lot of potential to grow up. And this is exactly why we wanted to relook at Sing Sing, okay, 3833. In the OTOP 20, 9 weeks ago, if you have missed this, I think it's not too late. There's still a lot of potential and opportunity for this coming OTOP 29, dated 22nd February, for you to relook, recapture it, and re-sit in for your potential profit. All right. Before we lock off, let's take a look, all right, out of curiosity, on the 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart, of course, is pretty high, and the beautiful turning up has happened here, all right, on the simultaneous crossing of the EMA 4 and 20 together with the momentum, and that actually happened on the February 9th in the year 2021. That was about 2 weeks ago, okay, 1 or 2 weeks ago. So 4-hour chart may not tell us a lot of things, but we still hope exactly like this, the bottom, which the market may be doing a correction for this coming final week of February. So all the good viewers, ladies and gentlemen, don't miss out this 3833. All right, the Xinjiang Sinsin Mining, which is listed in Hong Kong, Okay, wonderful gold mining stocks. And this is the good stuff here in the OTOP 29, dated 22nd February, that we want to introduce all of you to take a look. Right, so stay tuned with us. Come back on every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Hong Kong time. All right, this is the DD Bureau Equity Time. Thank you for subscribing to us, and don't forget to share this video out to all the friends. Okay, till next week again, I shall see you.